Here's Kylie, Christmas Day, eating with a spoon. You've got a Santa beard now of yogurt. Is it good? Pico's hoping for turkey. Pico says, I'd like some turkey, please. Yeah, go. But Kylie likes yogurt. Yeah. Is it yummy, Boo? Yeah? Kylie, you've got a yogurt face. What does Santa say, Kylie? Santa, Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Can you say Santa, Santa? Ho, ho, ho. Kylie? Ho, ho, ho. Oh, you're going to use that one too now. Because you're ambidextrous. Why, my goodness. Okay, num-nums. Merry Christmas, Kylie. Ho, ho, ho. I could film you doing this all day. Now you really have a Santa beard. It would be so great if you say ho, ho, ho. Maybe if I show you a picture of Santa. Okay. I'm going to see if I find one.